Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at AMP Global. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. AMP Global in Europe is a beginner-friendly broker that is owned by AMP Global Clearing in the United States and is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. The founders of AMP Global Clearing are based in Chicago, and this regulated company has provided trading services internationally since 2010. This broker offers flexible account types, low commission fees, raw spreads, powerful platforms, and a great selection of trading instruments from more than 7 asset classes. You can start trading with only $100 when you open an account with AMP Global, and if you're new to trading, you will have access to free educational resources. As an AMP Global client, you'll be protected by the Investor Compensation Fund, and all your funds will be held in segregated accounts with trusted banks. AMP Global offers competitive conditions for trading CFDs and ETFs, and is a popular choice for beginners and day traders. As a client, you can trade on either MetaTrader 5 or Stereo Trader, and there is one standard account that will give you full access to all the tools and instruments AMP Global offers. This broker provides 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer support, premium educational content, and plenty of resources for analysis and research. AMP Global offers variable spreads on a wide range of forex pairs, metals, energies, indices, stocks, crypto CFDs, and ETFs. There are more than 50 tradable currency pairs, popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, as well as dozens of other instruments that you can add to your portfolio. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with AMP Global, hover your cursor over the Trade tab and head over to one of the instrument pages. You can also view detailed contract specifications under the Forex and CFD tabs. The leverage allowed may differ based on different regulations and jurisdictions, and some countries are limited by law when it comes to trading on margin. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 100 when trading with AMP Global. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will be exposing yourself to far greater financial risks, and to do so with caution. If you require any assistance, you can reach the AMP Global customer support team via email, telephone, and live chat. Customer support is available 24 hours on weekends, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the customer support team at any time. AMP Global provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. This website can be viewed in 10 different languages, and you will find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions offered by using the menu bar. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, and any other resources, you can choose an option from the Learn tab. There is one standard account that you can open with AMP Global, and this broker also offers a swap-free account, a corporate account, and a demo account. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend practicing on a demo account until you have a solid understanding of trading, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. The standard account uses an STP execution model and can be used for scalping, expert advisor trading, and news trading. This account requires a minimum deposit of $100 and is also available as a swap-free account. With a swap-free account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned, and this account is only available to Muslim clients. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions AMP Global offers, click on the Trade tab and head over to the Available Account Types page. As an AMP Global client, you can use the MetaTrader 5 trading platform or Stereo Trader. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010 and has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and more. This platform can be downloaded for free from the official MetaTrader website and is beginner-friendly and suitable for all styles of trading, as well as automated trading and hedging. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. Stereo Trader is a scalable, customizable interface for MetaTrader 5. It is designed for professional traders who require more advanced charting tools and functionality for algorithmic trading and automated trading. It comes with a quick access scalping terminal, advanced day trading statistics, multiple order types, and fully automated stereo MQL strategies. MetaTrader 5 can be used on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices, and can be downloaded for free directly from this broker's website or the official MetaTrader 5 website. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 5 and Stereo Trader, click on the Platforms tab for a full list of features and direct download links. Creating an account with AMP Global will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is quick and easy. Firstly, launch the AMP Global homepage, and then click on the Open Live Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address, and once your account is verified and approved, you can log in to the client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account, however real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions, but after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. After your account is set up, verified, and approved, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 5, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with AMP Global. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. In order to make your first deposit, a minimum deposit of $100 is required to open an account with AMP Global, and your account must be funded using US dollars, euros, or pounds. You can make a secure deposit via bank transfer, or using Visa and MasterCard bank cards, Skrill, NetTeller, and several other payment applications. Most transactions are processed instantly, and a processing fee will be charged. However, AMP Global offers discounted trading fees. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. One of the most important things you'll need is reliable news and market insights. AMP Global provides a great selection of basic and advanced video tutorials, ebooks, and in-depth trading guides. This broker also provides an economic calendar that will give you insights into global employment data, retail markets and consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major economic events in over 70 banks around the world. You can use the trading glossary provided when you come across new terminology and any unfamiliar terms. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice on your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you're not using any real money. Overall, AMP Global seems like a good option for news trading, day trading, and scalping. This broker is beginner-friendly, and there are plenty of educational guides that you can use to learn the basics. AMP Global's accounts have variable spreads with no requotes guaranteed, and you will have access to a wide range of forex pairs, commodities, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other instruments. Only $100 is required to open an account with this broker, and you can easily open an account in a few simple steps. The minimum deposit required may seem high depending on the exchange rates. However, you can use a free demo account in the meantime if it is your first time trading. AMP Global offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So remember to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of AMP Global. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.